Hello everybody and welcome to another awesome Mod Mart Halloween lesson. In this lesson I'll be creating a brain from cartoon clay. Now if you haven't used cartoon clay before then you will absolutely love it. In fact you might like to have a look at some of the Mod Mart cartoon clay kits that we have. There's heaps of them and you can find all about them on our webpage at www.montmart.net. We also have our Facebook attached to that, our Creative Connection, and lots and lots of lessons. You see, it's a really great resource for people that love art. So let's get on to the project. One of the things about cartoon clay is it's also provided in these 100-gram bags. So you'll need 2 whites, a black and a yellow for your brain. So let's get started. First, open a 100-gram bag of cartoon clay. Pull it out and place it aside. Next, take the empty bag and pack it with scrap paper. I'm using toilet paper, but old newspaper or used copy paper would be just fine too. Reseal the bag and tape the corners in so the bag is more rounded in shape. Place the bag on a base, in this case a plate, and then work the white clay flat until it is about 1 centimetre thick. Then wrap it around the bag, making sure that it joins at the bottom. Press the clay in so there is no air between the bag and the clay. Now let's create the surface detail. Take out another 100-gram portion of white clay and to that add a pinch of black and a pinch of yellow. Knead this together until the colour is consistent. It should be a grey kind of beige. This is fairly close to the real colour of neural tissue. Once you are happy with the blending, create a series of tubes about 2 centimetres thick. After I have a few of them made, I can apply them to the layer covering the bag. Before I start, I remember that the brain is divided into 2 lobes, a left and a right. So I build it up one side at a time. When I apply the tubes, I lay them in a curvy folded manner as this occurs on brains. Just build it up and refer to the picture attached to the PDF for guidance. Make sure you pack the tubes tightly so none of the underlying base shows through. Another thing to bear in mind when you do this is to position the folds in a random pattern so it doesn't look too organised. Once one side is finished and you're happy, you can start on the other lobe. Follow the same procedure on this side. See, I told you that was going to be fun. Well, if you haven't subscribed to our Creative Connect yet, then don't forget to do that. I really hope that you try this fun little exercise, and I really hope you have a fantastic Halloween. So, until next time, remember to keep on creating.